asked in polls, and so many of you said the same thing. There's no free video generator that goes past those tiny 5 to 8 second limits. But something changed. I used one short clip of my AI avatar, and then a hidden feature continued the entire scene. The lighting stayed the same, the motion stayed the same. It flowed like it already understood where the moment was going. If you've been trying to create longer AI avatar clips, this is the part no one talks about. So the app is Meta.AI. Yes, it's free and you can generate images and videos. It's actually really good at creating them too. I am on the app and the app only generates 9:16, so YouTube's ratio for shorts. Don't worry, I am going to show you how to make 16:9. But first, I'm going to show you that you can either upload a prompt or an image. If you want an image, you click the plus sign and click gallery. If you want a prompt, you just paste one in. You can easily put one in yourself, or you can use ChatGPT to generate a prompt. So these are the images that they came up with. These women are beautiful. So as you can see though, it does only do 9:16, and I even asked for 16:9. Go over to your web browser on your phone and put in Meta.AI. Once you're there, you're going to be here. And then you're going to click the little button up in the left-hand corner, and then it says new chat, videos, and create. You click on create because on Meta.AI on the browser, it lets you create different ratios, as you can see here. 1:1, 9:16, 16:9. What I usually do is click the little box down in the bottom, and then a list pops up and you can click add to home screen. Then it will add to your home screen on your phone like an app, so you don't have to continue to do that. Now I opened up the app version of Meta.AI and I click on create. Here is the 9:16 images we just created, and I'm going to make sure that the ratio is at 16:9. Once you have your ratio complete, you're going to take the same prompt that you used to create your girl here, or you can create a different one, and then you're going to click generate. Once you click generate, it will give you 4 images of 16:9. And now you get these beautiful ladies here. Now, as you can see, sometimes the hands get disoriented, so you might have to regenerate your prompt so you can get the hands correct. You can even put in negative prompts like make sure the hands aren't disoriented in the prompt, and it will probably generate better. Once you find the image you like, I'm going to... If you want deeper training or my full AI avatar workflow, everything is inside my private community. Link below. I'm going to choose her, and then I'm going to go down and click on Animate. Now, this is just going to animate off default. So if you do want her to be talking, gesturing, you are going to have to click Customize Prompt. But I am going to show you the default. This is what she will look like. So she does have movement, just not specifically what I want. I want more gesture, more facial expressions. Now, like I said, sometimes the images become disoriented. So I am going to regenerate again. I just click the prompt on top of the picture and it puts it right into the prompt box. Then I'm going to generate and I'm going to get 4 more lovely, beautiful women. So the hands look a bit better on these ones. So I'm just going to click one. I'm just going to choose her. And then I'm going to go down to the bottom and click Custom Animate. Now, you can type in whatever you want her to do, to get up from the table, to talk with her hands, to gesture. She's talking and gesturing like she's telling a story. She keeps eye contact, looks natural. And then you get a video that looks something like this. Don't worry, you can generate different hand gestures, making her get up or whatever. Something like, I want her to get up from her chair naturally and walk and talk while gesturing. There she is, getting up, talking, and gesturing. Now, let's try something more challenging. Like, she stands up and walks over to the window while talking and gesturing. And then what do you get? Her getting up, talking, gesturing while walking over to the window. Now, the best part I'm going to show you is that you can click extend animation. So the clip we just created, you can extend it. So all you got to do is click extend. Yep, That easy, just one button, and you keep clicking extend until you get your video the length you want it to be. And it already knows what you want. You don't have to customize the extend because it already knows where you're going. Just make sure that you are specific on the first video that you create. And that's it. No more clicking duplicate and reversing your video to make it loop. No more same hand gestures so that it doesn't look natural. Meta.AI allows you to extend your video and create different facial expressions and hand gestures, or whatever you want your video to do. Now, if you do want your video to talk in the beginning, like I did, what you're going to do is come over to DreamFace. Yes, you can use this for free. I have created videos on how to use this. You're just going to click avatar, and then you're going to upload your video, the video we just created, and then you're going to go down so that you can add a voice. Now you can choose a voice on here. They have really great voices that you can choose from, or you can upload an audio. Now what you're going to do once you click a voice, or don't click a voice, click on want avatar to say. Now you can type something in if you chose a voice, or you can import an audio. You can even make your avatar sing. I know a lot of you make music videos, so this is great to use. Or you can record something. I'm going to import a file that I already created. I'm just going to upload something like this, and then I'm going to click animate. Once you click animate, it only takes a couple minutes to generate your video, and then you get something like this. If you want deeper training or my full AI avatar workflow, everything is inside my private community. Link below. If you want to use a different lip sync tool, I really suggest Sync.so. You just go over to your browser, put in Sync.so, and I am on the free account. What you're going to do is click Create Project. Once you do that, it will ask you to name the project. You can say anything. Click on create, and then you're going to upload the video that we just created, and then you're going to upload audio. Now you can record something here too, but I'm just going to upload the same file that I already did. This only takes a couple minutes too. Once it's done, I'm going to show you what it looks like. If you want deeper training or my full as you can AI see, her lips avatar are moving workflow, way better. Everything her is facial inside features my private are community. way more expressive. Link below.
So you can use Sync.so too. Don't worry about the watermark. I do have a video on my channel that you can watch to show you how you can get rid of that. I showed you how to generate longer videos. I showed you how to add lip sync and to generate images. I really hope this video was helpful.
If this helped you, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe because I've got more AI tutorials coming that you do not want to miss.